then you take Latin American congas and bongos, which we have completely taken into a new realm with drumming, which we just performed. These sounds have been taken out of the context they were intended for, and they've been given a whole different life. Then we went to school and we got really immersed in this contemporary classical tradition, which goes beyond Mozart, it goes beyond Beethoven. There are people since the 20th century who have been doing really incredible things with drums and keyboards and all these crazy instruments, even garbage instruments like we played with the symphony, or some tin cans, or the piping that you played today. So our goal is to kind of get that stuff out of the concert hall, because it's a shame that nobody gets to hear this incredible music unless they know these very specific universities or these presenters who put this kind of thing on. It's kind of rare. So we wanted to get a new audience for this kind of stuff. We're playing at breweries, a bookstore. We'll be on a parade float.
During one of these practice sessions, I was spinning my cello on its end pin like a rock star. Within a couple minutes, it slipped from my hands and crashed into tile. What was left resembled a modern art exhibit.
Whoa! What's that bear? Bear.
Do that a little sooner.